Shuttle calibration may be needed if the shuttle is not aligning correctly with the dispense nozzles or the blender shaft. Before you begin shuttle calibration, inspect the shuttle and rail for damage or debris. Unlock and open the front door. Remove the shuttle and rail. Clean the rail and shuttle with warm water if necessary. Inspect the bottom of the shuttle for debris, worn sliders, or missing magnets. Inspect the rail for bends or other damage. Report any damage or debris to the store manager. Reinstall the rail and shuttle. Close and lock the door. To perform the calibration, access the hidden menu screens by performing the three-corner touch. Enter password for manager or service menu, then press enter. Press calibration. Press shuttle. Next, read the on-screen instructions. Make sure the shuttle and rail are correctly installed. Press confirm to start a sweep of the shuttle along the rail. Did the shuttle move all the way to the left and then all the way to the right? Press yes or no. If no, follow the on-screen instructions to repeat the process. If shuttle sweep continues to fail, correct the issue before calibration can be performed. The shuttle will be positioned in the blend area to the right under the blender shaft at this point. Following the on-screen instructions, set the distance for the shuttle to move. It is recommended to set the distance to 0.90 to start. The green light on screen during the calibration process indicates the reed switches are operating correctly and sensing the shuttle position. Press the left arrow and the shuttle will move the assigned distance to the left. Increase or decrease the distance as needed and continue this process until the hole in the bottom of the shuttle lines up with the bottom rinse nozzle. Make sure the green light is still on with the shuttle in the blend area. When complete with blend chamber shuttle calibration, press confirm. The shuttle will then move to the dispense chamber to the left under the dispense nozzles. The top right of the shuttle should line up with the clear plastic chamber separator at the top of the stage. If the shuttle is not aligned correctly, set the distance for the shuttle to move. It is recommended to set the first increment to 0.15. Press the arrow in the direction the shuttle needs to move until it is aligned with the clear plastic chamber separator. Make sure the green light is still on with the shuttle in the dispense area. When complete with dispense chamber shuttle calibration, press confirm. The shuttle will move back to the right to verify position is correct under the blender. Press recalibrate if shuttle is not positioned correctly, or press confirmed if complete. Press log out to return to drink menu. Screen will display initializing while the shuttle performs a sweep along the rail. After the screen returns to the drink menu, verify the light in the dispense and blend area is on. If the light is off, repeat the shuttle calibration process. Verify the reed switch indicator is green before pressing confirm after calibrating each dispense and blend area. Make a drink to confirm operation. For further assistance, call Multiplex Technical Support at 1-844-724-2273.